with the first one on the issue of Steve asking about the issue of a lockdown. You know, it's very interesting that people are asking for a lockdown and they are unable to follow a curfew. I think it is very important for us to understand what is the meaning of a lockdown. What would a lockdown look like? Because if we don't address this issue of a lockdown and what it looks like, it's very easy to throw it around and say, why is in Kenya locking down the way that we hear other countries are locking down? In a manner of speaking, a lockdown is not a name, is not a word that necessarily contemplates a situation where people are now safe. What contemplates a situation that is safe is doing what the government is doing, what the government is saying. Because you can say that people go to their homes by 7 o'clock in a curfew, and they are supposed to go there by 7 o'clock. A lockdown is worse than that. A lockdown means that you don't leave your house, period. So, and the measures that we are taking are measures that are supposed to try so hard to ensure that we don't get to a lockdown. Because if we have got people doing what we are saying and keeping the social distances, it therefore means that the contacting, if the contacting is eliminated and the contacting is reduced, it means that it is not necessary because people are not passing it to each other. And this is what we need to understand, that if you look at countries with similar numbers and which countries are disciplined countries, they are not under lockdown. So let's not just talk about a lockdown. It is so important for us to understand, what does this mean? What does it mean to a person who is going to work in the morning and buy sukuma wiki as he goes along and goes home? What does it mean? So even as we talk about lockdowns, the government is working very hard to look at all structures. The president has directed that we look at all scenarios and address all scenarios, and we are doing that. But I think the scenario, the one key success factor in this whole thing, whether you talk about lockdown, whether you talk about curfew, is changed behavior. Is changed behavior. That is the key. The word that makes sense is change behavior, keep your distance, obey the law, obey the directives. That is what is going to work. Lockdown as a word can be pretty meaningless.